Hello everyone! Today we are going to do an experiment called musical glass. Here's what you need. Let's begin the experiment. Firstly, pour different levels of water into each glass. For example, I'm only going to pour a little bit of water for this cup. And a little bit more for this one. Continue to pour different amounts of water for the rest of the cups. After this, I'm going to put food coloring into each glass so that we can see the difference in water level. As you can see, the water level in each glass is different. Now, we are going to take a metal spoon and tap on each of the glass. Let's listen to the sound this time. If you listen carefully, you could hear that every sound coming from the glass is different. Let's listen to it one more time. Can you tell me why each glass makes a different musical sound? Why are some of them high pitch, while some of them have a low pitch? That's all for the experiment today. See you!